Hi, me again. I've been getting quite a few questions about what my data governance clinic is and how's it different from the Getting Started in Data Governance training course that I run. So I thought I'd just hop on a video and explain it to you. So my one-day training course, Getting Started in Data Governance, was born out of the very strong belief I have that there's no such thing as a standard data governance framework. But what I found over the rather many years that I've been doing data governance is that there are certain key components that you have to look at and address. And if you don't do that, you won't get a data governance framework that will be successful and sustainable for your organization. So I say no such thing as a standard data governance framework, but my course will give you all the building blocks and tools that you need and all the areas that you need to address so that you're well able to design and implement your own data governance framework that's right for your organization. But what I found after people had attended that was I give them all the theory to help them work it out. But they were going away and perhaps struggling with some of the implementation of it, or they would, present their draft framework to some senior stakeholders and get some challenges that they didn't feel confident or able to answer. And I was getting people coming back and asking me these questions. So I thought, well, actually, these same questions come up time and time again. And one thing I found very much in the early days of doing data governance is I felt very lonely and very vulnerable, like I must be the only idiot that can't convince my work colleagues that we need to manage our data better. But actually it's quite common, and I see that people who come on my courses really benefit not only from hearing me share my expertise and experience, but actually talking to other people that have been in the same situation. So that's kind of where the idea of a data governance clinic was born. I wanted to give people the opportunity to get together with people in very similar situations themselves and share experiences, but more importantly, get answers for their challenges. So I find that the people who attend the data governance clinic tend to be two different groups of people. The first are people who have done my one-day training course, either immediately the day before or sometime previously, or I've even had people who've done it online and then turned up to a face-to-face clinic. And they're normally looking for answers for, you taught me this in the theory, and how do I turn this into a practical solution given my particular set of circumstances? And the second set of people are very much the people who, they know data governance, they feel quite comfortable that they know what it is. But when they're actually trying to implement it and roll out their data governance initiative, they're coming across some challenges and some obstacles, and they just really need some guidance and advice on, tips and tricks, anything to try to overcome these obstacles. I absolutely love Data Governance Clinic. I find they're a very informal but participative day where everybody gets to bring along their questions and challenges, and we sort them into themes and we literally go for it and we work through every theme that we can, answering everybody's questions by the end of the day. So everybody that attends has said how fabulous they are and how helpful they are, and they go away with very clear actions of what to do to overcome their challenges. So I hope that's answered any questions you may have about the data governance clinics, but if you've got any more, please just let me know. But at any rate, I hope I'll see you on one soon.